2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 500. In the realm of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 500 stands out as an ideal choice for beginners, seamlessly combining style, performance, and approachability. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those entering the world of riding, the Rebel 500 exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking a perfect balance of learning-friendly features and a bold, cruiser-inspired aesthetic. In 2024, the Rebel 500 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, stylish rides, and the joy of embarking on the two-wheel journey. 1. Cruiser-inspired design with contemporary flair. The Honda Rebel 500 boasts a cruiser-inspired design that reflects timeless aesthetics with a contemporary twist. With its low-slung silhouette, minimalist lines, and blacked-out finishes, the Rebel 500 exudes a bold and stylish presence that appeals to riders looking for a cruiser with a modern edge. Honda's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Rebel 500 not only provides a comfortable riding experience but also makes a statement on the road. 2. Potent parallel twin engine for versatile performance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 lies a potent 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a balance of accessible power and versatility for riders of all levels. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while enjoying the cruiser experience. The Rebel 500's engine provides enough performance to handle city cruising and highway rides, offering a versatile platform for riders to explore different riding scenarios. 3. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed riding. Designed for comfort and relaxed riding, the Rebel 500 features a well-padded seat, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars. The bike's ergonomic layout ensures that riders can enjoy extended journeys without fatigue, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting or leisurely weekend rides. Honda's commitment to rider comfort enhances the overall experience for beginners, making the Rebel 500 an accessible and enjoyable cruiser. 4. Nimble handling and maneuverability. Crafted for nimble handling, the Honda Rebel 500 provides a responsive and easy-to-maneuver experience. The bike's lightweight chassis and low seat height contribute to its approachability, allowing beginners to confidently navigate city streets and parking lots. The Rebel 500's nimble handling adds to its versatility, making it suitable for riders honing their skills in various riding environments. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Rebel 500 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional advanced rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the Rebel's classic cruiser charm. Honda ensures that the Rebel 500 remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Rebel 500 stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its cruiser-inspired design, potent parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, nimble handling, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether navigating city streets with style, embarking on leisurely cruises, or simply relishing the freedom of open roads, the Rebel 500 encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level cruiser excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, stylish rides, and the joy of the beginner's journey, the 2024 Honda Rebel 500 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.